Good monza in the morning, you guys. My name is Tudori and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, a very big welcome to you, and for my returning subscribers, welcome back. Please do like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click on the subscribe button. So guys, this is future me just here to greet and welcome all of you to this vlog, because I realized that I do not have an intro video. So my phone just cut me off, but we're back, guys. Today we are going to China Square because there is a table that I was eyeing, and the last time I didn't kind of check the price, so I'm going back to check the price and then look at other things that I might get in the future. And yeah, guys, please do enjoy this vlog and I will see you in the next video. I'm looking for somebody I can call, looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true, what you wanna do, you can be my teacher, I'll do homework, you can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do, now it's me and you. So guys, I managed to get a divider from China Square. This was actually the smallest they had because the other ones were so huge. I don't like these thingies, but I don't mind them because I don't know, but I don't like them, but they don't bother me much. And then I also got a tripod because I needed something smaller, and I need a remote. My belly, we'll talk. My belly. OMG. Okay. Okay, I don't know how you. Oh my god. So I don't know why the flashlight is on now. Anyway, the remote only comes out when this thing goes up. Right? So I thought like you pull it out and then you just have to push it up like that. But I'm glad it's not ruined, and I'm so happy that it's small. Like, it is so small, like it can literally fit in my smallest bag. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack the this one is small, but like it's a bit big, man. So I'm just gonna pack the maswanas in here, the cutlery. So I guess I can throw this away.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna semi-automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? The man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just
Funk killer, funk killer, funk killer.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you said.
Hey guys, so I want to go to the mall quick. I'm getting like a few stuff, like 4 stuff, because like we need to eat later. I'm getting a fridge tomorrow. I was supposed to put a deposit on it yesterday, so the lady was like, no, we have a special on Wednesday, so come back on Wednesday. So I was there to go buy a microwave and put a deposit on the fridge. So I decided to take the microwave that we had from home, because like nobody really uses it. And the tricky part with the microwave is that I can't operate it. Like, I don't know that microwave on Zingyang, honestly. Like, I don't know. When you try to warm your food, like, like, and I hate it so much. So my mom was suggesting that I take the microwave to any like furniture store, and then they will help me or like show me how to use it. But like I already put it up there, so clearly that's not gonna happen. So I need to practice on how to use the damn thing. So tomorrow then I'm going to put a deposit. It's either I'm gonna put a deposit or just pay for it once, because the lady said there's a special. So I don't know how much we're looking at, but yeah, and hopefully they could deliver it the same day. Then from there maybe I can buy meat and stuff. So today I'm going to the mall to just grab a few things that I can make later to eat. And then I also need to unplait my hair. I need a scissor. I don't have a scissor here. I need to unplait my hair. And then I also set an appointment. Not really an appointment. I just said I'll do my hair this week, but I wasn't really specific on the day. But I really need to do it because now I just took pictures for my business, and I feel like I look very untidy, you know. So I don't know if I should do my hair maybe tomorrow and retake the pictures or what, because I was thinking like put on a wig, but the wig is gonna need me to do wig lines and I don't want that. So yeah, and I don't want to put on a wig, honestly speaking. I don't. So let us go to the mall to get a few things. Should I go now or later? Cause like 12. It's like 12 now. So if I buy something to eat for later, that means I'm gonna have to like warm it up. And I can't use the microwave because I still need to practice. Yo, like I don't know what to do. Guys, let's go to the mall. Yo, so guys, I literally just got back and yo. Anyway, let me show you guys what I got. So I'm trying this lactose milk from Clover, because the milk, the full cream and those other ones like made me really sick. And I tried the one from Woolies, but obviously here there's no Woolies, so I would have just gotten that milk, because that one really is good. So I'm going to be trying this one. I hope this is not a waste of my money. I got two. I got, oh, like I'm feeling a bit, I don't know, like something is off. Like I'm not, I don't know. Let me come back. So guys, I am back. Like I was feeling a bit nauseous, like I felt like vomiting and stuff. Like I don't know what's going on. Anyway, child, I also bought all gold. Everything is from Pick and Pay. I bought the salad dressing. As you guys already know, I'm using my back camera, so I wasn't able to see that my hair is looking crazy. Don't judge. I bought chocolate. I bought jam. I needed a sealed one because I don't have these caftines, so this one is perfect. I also bought this spread. Is it margarine? I don't know. I bought spaghetti. I bought the spice. I bought Bribe Up. Guys, my dietitian said Bribe Up is good when you're on a diet, but obviously you have to eat like a very small portion. Like it has to be literally the size of your hand. But like during the week I avoid eating pap. Like avoid, like I'll only eat pap like on weekends. And then I also got speck rice. I got speckle. Like I bought like body 1 kg. I don't know that 1 kg how many kgs, because I have very limited cupboard space, so I can't really buy like big ass things. And then I got tissue. I got 9 of them. I think these ones will last me. I also got noodles. I got 2 packs of noodles. I don't know, maybe we'll eat that later instead of stressing about what I'm gonna have, or I have to cook something. You like, I'm not in the mood. I also bought macaroni, 1 kg. And then I bought bleach. I bought the Pick and Pay brand. Guys, bleach ainamele detail. Please. Like I everywhere, like go toilet, like everywhere. And then I bought mafur. Like I'm not feeling well. Let me pack all of this and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Yo. Why are you falling, my dear? Like I'm so glad that I got this tripod because it fits perfectly on. This lighting is crazy. I know I look a bit crazy. Remember I said that I am like I have to go get a fridge. And so I'm just gonna wear this on top. I hope it doesn't look crazy. I hate this wig so much. I actually need to get a new wig. I also don't like this part of the closure because it won't lie flat. So basically I should just go out looking like this. it at all. I don't know if I need to change the closure again or what, but I also don't want to, I don't want the frontal, you know, I hate it so much. And then it's showing at the back, so let's tie that in. Is it tie in or tuck in? Ew. Tay. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm seeing the candlelight. Maybe I need, like every after a few minutes, I need to like put it flat like this. Like 2 minutes I'm holding my hair. And I would iron it, but like I'll be back in like 30 minutes max. Under the candlelight. So guys, I'm just gonna wear this top because I don't know how's the weather outside. You know, whether I don't know what's going on. I don't know whether I should like zip it up. No. Carry this bag. You know what? I can't wait to come back. Genuinely cannot wait to come back. And these shoes are hurting me. Guys, so the fridge that I wanted was 7K. And you know, I actually forgot you have to pay for delivery, and the lady also mentioned that I have to pay for a plug. The plug is for when there's lightning. This is the fridge that I wanted. The freezer was a bit big, but I actually didn't take that one. So I took a cheaper one so that I can be able to take the lightning plug and also the pay for delivery. This is the fridge that I actually went for. The freezer was just a bit small, but it wasn't terrible, and I also liked this one so much. I liked the mirror. I literally almost screamed when I saw this circle. Can't think it's just pastel. I love it so much.